honor of our group, Clara Sihoya, and maid of honor, Jonathan Parahan. Alright, now of course we have our groomsmen and bridesmaids, starting off with Joseph Ryan Parahan and Athena Apostol. John Chris Lapid and Resident Inosorio. Elrich Gently Lapid and Meryl Selvero. Joseph Aldrin Lapid and Yani Pejo. Erica James Lampin and Aki Enriquez. Joshua Contemplacion and Ricky Rodriguez.